I'm Bob Russo, the Shared Storage Product Designer for Avid Technology. I'm going to talk about a collaborative workflow with Apple Final Cut Pro X, the Axle Starter Asset Management Software, and Sync Folders Pro using the Avid NEXIS Pro Shared Storage. To get started, I'll switch to the computer running the Axle Asset Management Software and Sync Folders Pro. I'll launch the Avid NEXIS Client Manager, log in, and mount all the workspaces needed. In this example, I've made a workspace for each user, a common workspace for shared media, and another workspace for synced libraries. Final Cut Pro X doesn't allow for two users to have the same library open at one time. Using Sync Folders Pro, I've set up tasks to create a clone of the folder where each user stores their Final Cut Pro X library to the Synced Libraries workspace. This allows a user to open up an up-to-date clone of the library. Now, I'll switch back to my editor, log into the Client Manager, and mount just the workspaces I'm going to use. The Avid NEXIS Pro comes with the Axle Starter Media Management software. I'll start by logging some clips and creating subclips with Axle. When I'm done, I'll export an XML for Final Cut Pro X. Now, I'll start working in Final Cut Pro X. I'm going to create a new library that I'll store on a NEXIS workspace. For organization, I've created a workspace for my Final Cut Pro X libraries that only I have access to. Sync Folders Pro will make a clone of the library. By doing this, I don't have to worry about a collision where two users try to open the same library. Modify the storage locations to the workspace with the source media. Now, I'll import the XML that I created with Axle. I can see all the clips I logged and create a new project. I need to use some media from another user's library. Select File, Open Library, Other, Locate, and navigate to the Synced Libraries workspace and select the library. I can see all the clips and project in the library. They can be cut right into a sequence or imported into the current Final Cut Pro X project. The media isn't being duplicated. I've just made copies of the clips for use in my library. When done, close the library so new changes will be available. With the NEXIS Pro High Performance Shared Storage, you can see how easy it is for Final Cut Pro X editors to collaborate with a complete workflow including the Axle Asset Management software